Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. In a prior episode of this continuing series on Idaho versus Kohberger, we notified you that there were notations on the case summary page, unfortunately under seal, where the defense had submitted a motion and a proposed order concerning an independent analysis of evidence. What evidence? We do not know, because the crux of Mr. Kohberger's argument is under seal. I provided a link to this prior episode of our podcast where you can learn a little bit more of what the case summary page stated. We now see that on the 9th of June 2025, the court entered an order sealing the defendant's motion and order for independent analysis of evidence. It says here, the court having before it the motion to seal defendant's motion and order for independent analysis of evidence, and good cause appearing, now therefore it is hereby ordered the defendant's motion and order for independent analysis of evidence shall be filed under seal pursuant to ICAR 32I and IC section 741241B and C. So ordered, June 9th, 2025, signed Stephen J. Hippler, District Judge. Ladies and gentlemen, we have seen this rule of court and this statute raised time and time again in various motions to seal something or other in this case. They allow a court, if the court finds there's good cause, to grant the relief sought to keep documents out of the public domain. To seal means to seal from public disclosure. Documents that would otherwise appear on the public docket in Idaho versus Kohberger, like this court order of June 9th, 2025 is. Now, the good cause that was cited by the defense, the reason why everything should be under seal, is a mystery, because the motion, where apparently the argument is given for why there needs to be an independent analysis of evidence, legal authority, under seal. So the public is completely in the dark regarding this matter. It is not yet determined as to whether Judge Hippler will order independent analysis of evidence of whatever was raised in this motion. We are going to continue to monitor the docket for when any such order either appears on the case summary page or hopefully on the public docket, providing the public with some detail whether the court will grant or deny that relief. When that information appears on the docket or the case summary page, we will notify you. So please continue to stay tuned to this channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do, because the motions and the responses and the replies and the court orders and the items on this docket are coming fast and furious as matters proceed toward voir dire, which is currently scheduled to occur on July 30th, 2025. This will now conclude this episode of the Indie Zone. Thank you for joining us today.